2020, paper 2, question 1. We are given 3 points, A, B and C. We're asked to find a perpendicular distance from A. Let's say this is A to the line BC. And this is just a sketch here. So the perpendicular distance from A to BC. And then based on your answer, what can you conclude? So something's going to happen here. So maybe we'll do a good sketch of it. Let's do a good sketch here. We need to go on the x-axis 2, 6, minus 4. 2, 6 and minus 4. And on the y-axis we need to go down to minus 12 and up to 3. 2, 6 and minus 4. So I need to go back 4. So this will do us. So I'm going to just give 1 unit to each here to be really accurate. 2 minus 6. 2 and then minus 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2 minus 6 for A. 2. 6 minus 12 for B. Just extend this a bit. 2, 4, 6 minus 12 for B. And for C, minus 4, 3. Minus 4, 3, and C, actually, look, we already have it labeled miraculously right here. Now, these by naked eye look like they're actually in a straight line. I'm just going to try and draw a straight line here. There's no ruler on this, so be gentle in your criticism. I did a wobbly one, but you know, you get the idea. So this, we actually have the answer here. The perpendicular distance from A to BC is equal to 0. It's equal to 0. And what can we conclude about the answer? A, B, and C form a straight line. The word for that is collinear. I think there's just one L, collinear. Now, as higher level students, what we would want to do is just prove this mathematically. So what can we say about these points A, B, and C? If they're collinear, we can see here they're going to form a straight line. And their slopes are going to be the same. So if we can show their slopes are the same, we can show they're collinear. And if the slopes are the same, and they're collinear, well, we'll need to show, if we show the slope of AB is equal to the slope of AC or BC, we could probably get away with either of those. We just need to include A in both slopes. So we'll get the slope of AB, and we'll get the slope of, well, we get the slope of AB and BC. AB and BC. Let's look at those two. So just write the points out for AB and BC. 2 minus 6 is A, and B, 6 minus 12. So the slope, we can see the slope is negative by our diagram. So minus the change in y, minus 6 minus 12, change is 6. And the x change from 2 to 6 is 4. So the slope is minus 3 over 2. And if we get the slope of BC, the slope of BC, B is 6 minus 12. And C is minus 4, 3. We can see it's negative. The change in y is 15. And the change in x, minus 6 to minus 4 is 10, which is equal to minus 3 over 2. And if I do here, the slope of AC, A is 2 minus 6, and C is minus 4, 3. So the slope, we can see it's negative. The change in y is 9, and the change in x is 6, which is equal to minus 3 over 2. Therefore, and as we've concluded earlier, they form a straight line and they're collinear. So you could have done that quite quickly. We've done this answer up above. The diagram below shows two lines A and B, and the equation of A is, so we're given this equation here, x minus 2y plus 1. So I'll do A in blue. And we change over to B. I'll just mark B in red. and we're told the acute angle between A and B is theta, as shown in the diagram, and line B makes an angle of 60 degrees. Here's my 60, with the positive sense of the x-axis as shown in the diagram. Find the value of theta in degrees, corrected 3 decimal places. So let's write out what we have here. So where can we start here? We've got opposite angles, so that's also theta, and I'm going to go over this triangle, the red and the blue and black. I think this is the best way to approach this question. So we've now got this triangle, which I'm just going to take out and draw down here. We have this angle here, which is 60, which is given. Sorry, that's the wrong diagram, the wrong way around. Down to here, and over to here. This one has to be 120. This is theta. So we need to get this angle here, call it A or alpha, and we have the equation of this line, so we can get the slope of that line. So 2y, if I bring it to the right, is equal to x plus 1. Y is equal to x over 2 plus 1 over 2. So the slope of this line is 1 over 2. Now why are we getting to the slope? Because we know that the tan of the angle is equal to the slope. So the tan of alpha here is 1 over 2. So the inverse tan of 1 over 2 is going to give me small 26.565. We're asked for 3 decimals. I'll take the 3. So therefore theta is equal to 180 minus 120 minus 26.565, given theta to be. It's going to be 60 minus 26, so it's going to be 33, and another 435 to get you up to the full angle.